Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be discussing about the AIBE or All India Bar Examination 2024 registration. The AIBE 2024 registration has begun, and in this video, we will guide you through the steps of how to register for the AIBE 2024 examination. So closely watch the steps and successfully register for your examination. By telling that, let's dive into the video. Step number 1, the candidates must visit the official website of AIBE, which is www.allindiabarexamination.com, and then click on the registration link. And once you do that, the AIBE registration page will be appearing on the screen. Step number 2, once you successfully log in to the website, then the application form will appear on the screen and you have to fill the details mentioned on the application form. Now, step number 3, once you successfully fill the details, then you'll have to upload the documents. And the documents that needs to be uploaded in the AIBE application form 2023-2024 are your photograph and your signature. Once you successfully complete the third step, then in the fourth step, you will have to proceed and pay the registration fee. The application fee for AIBE 2024 can be paid in online mode only using any of the e-payment methods. And the last step, once you have successfully made the fee payment, you will have to submit your registration form and download it for future references. So with that, we come to an end to today's video, and I hope this piece of information was useful to you and you could successfully register for the AIBE 2020. So for more such informatory content, check out our website at www.getmyuni.com by clicking the link in the description. And for more such exciting videos, tap on the subscribe button and follow our channel. We will be back, and till then, stay tuned.